Hi folks, Angela from Vernon Volkswagen here, showing you a 2017 Black Pearl Jetta GLI. It's a hot looking car here. Nice little lip spoiler on there. Got a backup camera, huge trunk, 60/40 split folding seat with a pass-through. Great wheels, red calipers in there. Nice leather interior with the red stitching. There's an armrest that comes down, a couple cup holders there. Has a full keyless entry system, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, powered seats, auto headlights, just over 27,000 kilometers on it. It's got navigation, dual zone climate control, heated seats. It's a 6-speed manual transmission. Nice sunroof in there. For more information on this car and more, please email me at angela@vernonvw.com or call or text me at 250-308-0633. Thank you.